Hi everyone and Happy New Year. It has not been a very good year with COVID and our ugly stepsisters. And as I film this, I am days away from the end of the year and I have no idea what devastation that COVID and our ugly sisters have done. And I was just thinking, what could I give you all from my place to your place? And then it fell on me. I know, some beautiful bright ruby red, some golden nuggets, and how about just a little bit of light to shine into your life. This is an easy design to put together, and once you've got all your components, you could do it just like that, and you could have it sitting in your lounge or on your dining table to light a path to a bright new year. Let me show you how easy this is. I've got this huge, ginormous brandy balloon here. Imagine drinking out of that. You'd just about drown if you fell into that. But anyway, it's a beautiful vase. It's never really used at my house, and I thought, why not bring it out for a special occasion? First to go in are several pieces of, I love this. And what, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's just, it looks like rich rubies to me. Rubies from nature. I love how nature does that. So what I've done is I've just sort of like twirled those around so that they fit inside the cavity of my container. Now I've got several pieces of those, so I'll just bring this bit over to here, and don't worry if you can see the little stalky bit, because I'm now going to incorporate some of these twisty willow branches, and I've been a bit rough there, so that can just go down and into there, and a little bit can stick out, and this one can go down and into there like so, and that can just sit a little bit like that. And with the third one, that can come up and sit there. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just a whole beautiful moment of rich rubies. Into this, I've got this. This is, I can't even believe that I found this after all of these years. Look at that with little red lights on it. How energizing is that? Now hold on, I'll just put this. Now you have to be very careful when you put this in, because you're gonna have to take it out again, and there's nothing worse than trying to unravel those. So I'll just leave that down there, and we can have a wee fiddle and put those around in a little bit later on. Oh, look at that. Oh, I wish it was dark so that you can see how beautiful it is. And I also wanted to give you a few golden nuggets. So if you've got these left over from Christmas, either as it is, or just put the little golden nuggets down into there. I should have taken that price tag off, but never mind. Just putting these down and in to there. And as we march towards that magical 12 o'clock, 2022, I've had this little thought that I want to share with you. In fact, it came to me in the middle of the night, and I thought, I wonder if I should mention it or not. But anyway, I believe that the reset button, and I'm not into numbers, I've got to say that, I reckon the reset number is going to happen on the 22nd of the 2nd, 22, and when you add all those 5 lots of 2s up, you get 10. And my theory is you got your 1 and you've got your round. So the 1 is the line ahead, that straight line in a new direction, and the 0 or the 0 or the circle is that beautiful circle of love that's going to all come into us and enrich us so that we can enjoy 2022. I'll see you again another day, and please enjoy, even though these aren't good times. See you again. Bye.